Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig review is a human hair wig from UNICE Hair, okay? This is a Babyyyy girl. So I'm showing y'all everything I got. You know, UNICE puts in that work. Like they give you a bunch of goodies. I got nails, wig cap, elastic band. They usually give me like a little robe. I got like 4 of them in the closet. Well, I've been trying to do in every video how I install my locks. So I split them into 3 sections, you guys. I do that top part. So I just go like straight down and make a like straight down my head and take that amount of hair and just gather it into a ponytail. Boom. And then I'll take those other 2 sides and gather them so they're flat against my head, and do the same with the other side so that you have one jumbo ponytail. Normally I would put this in a ponytail holder, but I could not find one at the moment, so I just kind of mushed everything in there. I do find mushing them in there is better, but it will make your locks not grow straight. They'll be kind of curly or whatever, but it's up to you. But that's how I put my locks in there. So yeah, this wig is supposed to be glueless, y'all, but because I have locks, the wig cap was really small. Like, oh my goodness, I think I even got a large cap, so I was like, wow. As you can see, my sideburns were out. Okay, so yeah, this could be glueless for you if you don't have locks or if you have a small peanut head. They do like this wig, it just was a little bit too small, but I'm understanding because I got locks, girl. So I extended that parting space and I went ahead and hot combed the part down, and now I'm just adding a little bit of volume in the front because I like when there's that little volume in the front. It's just so cute. So I applied my Ruby Kisses concealer on the lace just to tint the lace a little bit, and then I did go in with the part and I did the same thing just to kind of define that part and make the part stand out. These steps are optional, but this is what I do with like almost every wig install. Okay, so this specific wig I did want to go in and get this as flat as possible, y'all, because it was giving hump. It was giving hump and it was small, so I tried to do everything I could to get this bad boy flat, okay. I did go in and flat iron it. This unit comes bone straight, but like due to like shipping and stuff, it was kind of bended over, so I did have to go in with my flat iron. I love this flat iron, y'all. This is my first one that's like a really big wide size. I got this from Amazon. It's linked down in my Amazon bio, okay, so check that out. But y'all, like I said, I was trying to get this wig flat as possible. Like, was as flat as I could get it, and it still was even a little bit humpy at the top, as you can see. But it still gave, okay. It still gave. I just can't hold my head like that. So I put that back on, y'all, and then I did go in. I didn't really melt the lace, but I did go in with this mousse spray and kind of just put it on the lace just so that it can kind of like further conform to my head. I tried to do this glueless because that's the main focus of the wig, but yeah, I did have to use a little bit of product on the lace. And yeah, it turned out super cute. As you can see, like the hairline is very natural and pre-plucked. The hair is gorgeous. It's kind of like a yaki texture, and it is angled into like an angle bob. Now now I did go in with some hairspray and kind of get those flyaways tamed down. Like I said, I wanted this like flat and chic and sleek. Okay, so this is the unit, y'all. Like, this is everything that I did to get the unit to look like this. Like I said, it is glueless, but the wig cap, which is really small because my edges are out, okay, but the hair is really soft, y'all. The texture is like yaki straight. It's just really bomb, and it's angled. Now my only con with this wig is that I think it's kind of thin. It's not like other ones that I've had, like wink wink, other ones that I've had that has been super thin in the front, but like this is a very low density wig, and I just need more hair. Like, I need more hair on this wig, especially because it's real humpy. It was real humpy, and yeah, I mean, it wasn't bad, don't get me wrong, because it looked real good in my pictures and I felt real cute in it. I just really wish that it had more hair, especially in the front. Y'all see those little gaps or whatever, but honestly, this wasn't a bad honestly, this wasn't a bad install, okay? Like, it was really given, and I really liked everything that I had, okay? So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this wig, and as always, thanks for watching.